This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then jack up the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Support the lower rear suspension arm with a floor jack placed under the coil spring pocket. The jack must remain in this position until the shock absorber is reinstalled. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting nuts. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt, then remove the shock absorber. Guide the shock absorber up into the fender well and insert the upper mount through the studs protruding from the body. Install the lower mounting bolt and screw it into place. Delay tightening until the suspension arm is raised. Install the shock upper mounting nuts. Raise the suspension arm with the floor jack to simulate normal ride height, then tighten the shock absorber upper mounting nuts to the specified torque setting. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack from the trailing arm. Repeat the procedure to replace the other rear shock absorber. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting.